Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. That's gold. That's really gold.
I don't need respect, I'm the threat. Tell them I'm so free, I got no chains on me. I'm so free, I got no chains on me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a very special video. I am going to be talking about hair paint wax. I've been seeing it on Instagram and I've been wanting to try it for a long time now, so I went ahead and ordered 3 colors to try out, and I'm gonna try it out in this video. Alright, so I ordered 3 colors. Like I said, it came in this package here, UPS, or what is this? UPS, USPS, whatever. Anyways, I got 3 colors. I got red, orange, and gold. And I was gonna mix the red and the orange together and then have gold streaks. That was my vision. I don't know exactly how it's gonna come out. You're gonna see it with me. I'm gonna try it on camera. So we shall see how it comes out. And supposedly it's supposed to be all natural products, which is a plus. That's the red. It has like a perfume smell to it, so it's not, it doesn't stink. Orange. Woo, baby, that's orange. Then the last color is gold. Same thing. Boom. My idea of having red, orange, and gold in my hair, I don't know if I'm thinking straight, but we gonna find out. Actually, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a little bit of the gold, just a little. I feel like you only need a little bit. It's a very thick consistency. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. That's gold. That's really gold. Well guys, there you have it. A gold curl. That is actually really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's very shimmery. Ow. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. I know I said I was gonna come back home and do it, but I was tired. I got home late off work, so I'm about to start doing it now. So what I did before I started filming, I mixed the orange and the red, and I kind of just got like the color that I wanted. I think I might have put a little bit too much orange, but I'm gonna show you guys, because at first it was like a lot of red. So now it's like orangish red. I don't know. scared to color your hair and you want to go crazy with it, I think this is the best stuff to buy because it's temporary. You don't have to worry about trying to keep it in. If you don't like it, it can rinse out. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're too scary, it can rinse out. I am not scared of color. I've colored my hair all kinds of colors. So this is fun for me. It's thrilling. A thrilling experience. I've had my hair blue. I've had my hair orange, red, purple, blue. Oh, yeah, I said blue. Green. And the blonde was the first for me. So I've done brown, which I have now. And now I'm doing red, orange, and gold. Like, I feel like you only have one life. Live it. You know, don't be scared. Take chances. I mean, it's just hair. You know what I'm saying? Still make it look professional. That is key. Most important thing. Keep it professional. Keep it cute. I feel like you can still wear color and keep it cute, you know?
See, so how much do you do your hair like that? The classic, that would be fire. Can I have that towel, that white towel? Don't try to open it all the way. You would do it on a white towel. Do it like that for classic, that would be crazy. You'll be up there, you know what I'm saying? You have good hair, Dad. Yeah, but watch, we'll see when it dries. Hey! Get that in there, yeah. Hit the gold, Jazz. I love that. That's nice. Oh my goodness, you look nice, Dad. You look beautiful. Seriously. Thanks. Oh my God, Jazz! No, what'd you do? Look at that. So it's noticeable. Put that back. Wait. There you go, like that. Like leave it slayed off to that side. There you go. Don't cover it up. Take it off. Put that to the back. Don't have the red touching any of the gold. Take that off.
Alright, you guys. So I'm done. I don't know if I want like this.
Put that back.
Oh my gosh, my brother's trying to instruct me on how to part my hair. Or leave the gold.
There you go.
I think I like it hidden.
No, Jasmine, no. I'm telling you what I know, because if you hide it, it makes it worse. That just
okay.
It's like bam. You see that?
So this is the red. I really like the red, y'all. Like I'm really feeling it. But gold, I like it hidden, but my brother likes it all out in the open. So I guess I'll do the out in the open.
Do the thingy, the comments. You like if you like it hidden, let me know.
Okay, so you heard my brother. If you like it hidden, comment down below and let me know. If you like it like this, no, if you like it out, comment down below. And if you like it, you know, a little hidden, you know, hidden streak or whatever, then comment down below. But I guess I'll do this out like this for my brother.
See, you gotta take that off.
Take that back?
Yeah.
Okay, so because I have to go, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. And like I said, it's temporary. I've never worked with this stuff before, so I don't know like how it's gonna happen when it dries or if I wash it or whatever. This is my first time experience with this hair paint stuff. So if you have any questions that I may be able to answer, comment down below. I'll try to answer them. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna wear it in a puff though, because I think I'm gonna wear it in a puff.
Yeah, shoot it actually. Oh my gosh, Jazz. Now that is nice. Yes. Yes.
Fireball!
That is nice. You look beautiful, Jasmine. Seriously.
And there's that gold!
Yeah, pop that out. Well, you don't really have to. If it's hidden, it's hidden, I guess. But if you pop it out, then obviously you're going to see.
Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, okay? Y'all see what's going on. All right. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Yeah, I got some on my back. I got some on my clothes too. I probably got it on my face. But that's okay. It's washable. Alright, so if you are waiting or want to see a video maybe like a few days later, I can do that. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Hit that subscribe button, girl.